So this is a late night, early morning, 6 a.m. 3-boxer of 2013 Inception. Best of luck to everybody. Thanks for joining. We got Avex with the Redskins, Texans, and Seahawks. 217, Cardinals, Saints, Vikings, Haru, Jets, Jags, Steelers, Dolphins, Bengals. Maymay with the Broncos, Patriots, and Rams. Packer Bob, Giants and Eagles. Brandon with the Raiders. Punkalunk, Bills, Packers, Cowboys. TCB 420, 49ers, Chargers, and Bucks. Justin Hunter fan with the Titans. Then for our other tier for the out teams and the Chiefs, we got Avex with the Colts, Chew with the Ravens, Cowboys Collector Browns, Haru Panthers and Bears, Maymay Lions, Packer Bob Falcons, and TCB 420 with the Chiefs. Best of luck, everybody. Cards plus Saints for the Dolphins. Is that confirmed? Cards plus the Saints for the Dolphins. You guys just made that trade? Yes. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Cardinals, and so Chew's gonna have the Dolphins. Saints and Cardinals are going to Haru. I'm gonna repeat that. Let's make sure I got it right. I've got Chew 17 with the Dolphins. Haru now has the Saints and the Cardinals. All right. Good luck, everybody. Oh man, I need to sharpen that knife. Serious? Alright. Alright, good luck, everybody. Thanks for hopping in this thing. Keep me up crazy late. Oh, it's gonna be big. We got a Romo parallel number 2 of 199. You know it's gonna be big. Good luck, everybody. Thanks again. Appreciate you, ladies and gentlemen. We got not numbered Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Not numbered Drew Brees for the Saints. Parallel Alfred Morris, 44 of 75 for the Skins. Gonna come off the back here for our jersey or patch. Giant one color of Mike Glennon for the Bucks. This is gonna be 21 of 75 on the Glennon. Giant one color. 21 of 75. Bucks are the first hit of the break. Next up. There he is, the one Chief you could have hit. Niall Davis, one card rookie auto, not numbered for the Chiefs. It's going to be TCB 420. And TCB 420 also had the Bucks. Alright, last hit of first box is going to be 71 of 75. Got at least a 3-color patch auto coming. And who's that? Kenny Stills for the Saints. 71 of 75. It's Kenny Stills. The camera's tired too. It's not going to focus right now. And the Saints were just traded to Haru. Haru on board along with TCB 420. Alright, two boxes to go. Haru, you did. You traded for them Saints. Last minute trade. Right at the wire. Parallel off the back, Jake Locker 167 of 199 for the Titans. Yes, Punkalunk, I can't. Just remind me after we're done, please. And we've got Vic Ballard for the Colts, not numbered, and Adrian Peterson for the Vikings, not numbered. Parallel, Michael Crabtree, 63 of 95 for the Niners. Off the back, jersey, spin like a jersey. It's going to be for the Cowboys, giant one color, 64 of 75. Terrence Williams for the Cowboys. That is 64 of 75. Cowboys belong to Punkalunk. Alright, next up we got two fat cards. Good luck, everybody. Which way is this going? 39 of 75. 1, 2, 3, 4 color. Zach Ertz, tight end for the Eagles. 39 of 75. White, gray, black, green. And that is Packer Bob with the Eagles. Final card from box 2. Good luck again. 57 of 75. Another one. It's Mike. Mike somebody. Mike Gillespie, 4 color for the Dolphins. 51 of 75. It's going to be Chew 17 with the Dolphins. Somebody called them Dolphins mojo. There it was. Good call. Alright, we're down to the last box of the break. Got 3 patch autos so far. Alright, everybody, last one. Thanks again. Good luck. Hope you get something nice. No patch. Looks like a jersey again. Back card is pretty thin. We got for the Chiefs 195 of 199. Debo parallel. Base for the Packers, Jordy Nelson, not numbered. Josh Freeman, base for the Bucks, not numbered. Parallel number 61 of 75. Mark Ingram for the Saints, 61 of 75. Jersey off the back. Another giant one color. It's going to be for the Chargers. This is Keenan Allen. 40 of 75. Keenan Allen for the Chargers. Let's see. Chargers was TCB 420. Break domination. Looks like we got a redemption. Best of luck, everybody, on the redemption. Auto jumbo patch base. Justin Hunter. Justin Hunter fan came in and got an auto jumbo patch base of Justin Hunter. Congratulations, Trevor. Alright, guys and gals, last card of the break is number 15 of 50. Another patch auto. That makes 4 patch autos in 3 boxes. 15 of 50. Good luck. Look at that. Looks like a ghost. It's screaming. Yeah, I knew that. So that was going to be with that patch. The Seahawks. Christine Michael. These patches are so nasty. Alright, that was the last card of the break, everybody. Thanks again for joining. 15 of 50. Christine Michael for the Seahawks. Nothing too big in there. Nothing too big. Nice patch autos. All of them were at least 3 color. As usual with Inception. Good stuff. Alright, thanks everybody.